This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com, trying to answer a question I get all the time, which is how do you time IPOs because they don't have fully developed indicators. So we can see here an IPO that is doing well, and we can see based on the weekly chart we don't even have a fully developed RSI, and one of the MACDs is not fully developed. So we are lacking one of the main ingredients, which is the RSI. So what do you do when you have an instrument that is not fully developed, especially for IPOs? Well, what you do is you go to the biggest time frame that has all the fully developed indicators. Here we have a weekly chart. If we take a look at the monthly, of course the monthly doesn't have the parameters we would want to use to gauge the quality of a breakout. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from monthly, check the weekly. Again, we are looking for the time frame that has the most developed indicators. Here the weekly doesn't have the RSI as we just saw, and then we go to the daily. In this example we see yes, on the daily we have fully developed indicators. So this is the time frame, the biggest time frame that has fully developed indicators, and we can see here as of the last couple of days with the recent breakout, the stock has gone ahead and met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout. You got RSIs moving to new high ground, and the MACD moving to new high ground, and the RSI did recapture that 69.1 level, which means it meets and met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout during the most recent price breakout. And the breakout I'm talking about is this breakout here. Once it cleared that level, having met the minimum requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout, we can see that it has afforded those who own this to be able to capture part of this move to the upside. So again, for IPOs where you don't have fully developed parameters on the bigger time frames, go to the biggest time frame, whatever it is. Sometimes it has to be sometimes it can actually be the hourly that has fully developed indicators. So if you don't have fully developed indicators on the monthly, go to the weekly. If the weekly is not fully developed, go to the daily, and so on, and use the same requirements for the ultimate Muathe breakout on the time frame that meets all the parameters. In this example, the daily did meet the minimum requirements in terms of the RSI and MACD. So this is the most recent buy point here as the stock broke out a couple of days ago. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.